Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 2V and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the bottom again and tap on backup and reset option and then reset phone. As you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it and confirm it just by tapping on this option again. As you can see, we've got this information that that we just successfully reset network settings, which means that we reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.